Okay, who do we have up first?
Speed limit.
Speed limit. Okay, you ready? Speed limit.
Huh.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa!
He just went right in.
Okay.
Now we got dirt scooper.
The dirt scooper. Okay, we need a countdown.
3, 2, 1, go. What?
Who's next? Oh, dirt scooper made it too. Who's next?
We gotta get the monster truck.
Here, I'll hand it to you.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Here's a big bucket of monster trucks.
You have a whole bucket, Cooper.
All right.
Now the next one is Boom. It's Boom next.
Okay, you ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Ah, no. Oh, no. 1, go.
What do you think, Kubi?
Hit the camera, Dad.
That's okay. Who's next?
Wild grass monster truck. This is Cooper's Coop. Cooper, this is yours. Hold on to it and then let it go. Cooper, hold on to it.
We need a countdown.
To the monster truck. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah,
Ah.
you kind of bounced out there.
Daddy, can we move the camera so they can go really far?
Nope.
But maybe one is super strong and it's going to knock it down.
Who's next?
Cooper's going.
Come on, Coop. Okay, who's next?
Now it's Alien Bus.
Alien Bus.
3, 2, 1, go.
No. All right, who's up next? Camera. What do you think, Kubi?
Now Bowden Swords. Bowden Swords. Ready. And 3, 2, 1, go. And keep getting Cooper wet. All the splashes keep getting Cooper wet, Dad.
All right.
I need to tell you something. Rainbow Blast.
Okay, we need a countdown.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, he missed.
But he hit the ball.
He hit the bowl.
Now we have Donkey Kong.
Donkey Kong.
Donkey Kong ready for spin. Donkey Kong ready for launch. Donkey Kong ready for rolling. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, he missed.
But I think I don't know who's going to be the farthest. Now we have Skeleton Hot Wheels.
Skeleton Hot Wheels. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
He missed altogether.
No, Cooper.
All right, let Koopy do one.
Cooper. I'm gonna let you do Spooky Night. Cooper, are you ready for Spooky Night? Touch his top and then let him go and then he will roll.
All right, countdown.
3, 2, 1. Now, go.
Oh, he missed.
Let me go. Let me
Okay, who's next?
Cooper. Cooper, ready for a booster in 3, 2, 1. Booster! Zombie tow truck. His name is Zombie Tow Truck because he's green like a zombie and he's a tow truck. Zombie tow truck, ready in 3, 2, 1, go.
He went in, all right. He went in, all right.
I knew he was going to do that. Now, it's Dinosaur World. Dinosaur World. What? Daddy, we got Dinosaur World.
Okay, let's go.
3, 2, 1, go. He went right into the ball. Now we have our toe.
What do you think, Kobe?
Daddy, we have our toe loco.
El Toro Loco.
And 3, 2, 1, go. He just did a front flip, and then he touched the ball, and then he went. Now we have Bowser. Bowser ready for rolling in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, just barely missed.
He barely missed, Dad.
Guess we have Koopy just putting them all in the bowl right now.
I bet Batman's gonna miss that ball. And Cooper. Batman ready for rolling in 3, 2, 1, go. It missed Cooper, but it touched the ball.
Okay, next we have a special creature.
A lion.
Let's get a good look at that lion. Rawr.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, he's in the bowl.
Now we have a tiger. Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman.
Wonder
Koopy, step over here.
Woman,
Over here.
ready? Wonder Woman. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, barely missed.
Big boom.
Big Boom. Let's get a good look at Big Boom.
Big boom.
All right.
Big boom. Ready for rolling in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, and he ricochets out.
He hit the ball.
Okay.
Now we have Earthshaker. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Not even close.
He went farther than Rainbow Blast and Donkey Kong. Now we have 21 Hot Wheels garbage truck. No, actually, next we have Cooper.
No, leave him up there.
Oh, he's
Koopy's going to launch the lion.
5, 6, 7.
And there goes our lion into the water. Okay.
Next we have Doggy Smash.
Doggy Smash. All right, you ready?
Doggy Smash in 3, 2, 1, go. Big Smash.
Oh, bounced right out.
Now we have number 21 Hot Wheels garbage truck. And now we have Superman. Superman. In 3, 2, 1, and go.
He bounced out.
Yeah, he touched the wall, then he bounced out. Now we have Batman. Batman.
Ready?
Batman ready for rolling in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, he's in.
He's
He
stuck on the
stuck
ball.
on the side.
He's stuck on the ball, Dad.
Okay, who's next?
A tiger. No one.
No one. We have an empty bucket of monster trucks. Let's see. No more monster trucks. So who's the winner?
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. It is. Hooray for our shaker! It's our shaker, Dad.
Cool.
Our shaker's the winner.